The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Carroll County and east central Ohio, southwestern Columbiana County and east central Ohio until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm with potential of
Weather bulletin. Weather message. For the following county, Carroll County, Ohio, the National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Carroll County and east central Ohio, southwestern Columbiana County and east central Ohio until 4:45 p.m. At 4:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was detected 8 miles west of Malvern, or 6 miles southeast of Canton, and was moving east at 20 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing hail up to the size of quarters and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Malvern, Augusta, East Rochester, Mechanicstown, Millport, Guilford Lake State Park, Salineville. This is a dangerous storm. Move into a sturdy building and avoid windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh.